Hello friends, glad are watching this video. In this segment, the title is Gossip is Free, but the Damage is Expensive. Picture this: you're sitting peacefully, enjoying your food, minding your business. Then someone leans closer like a secret agent and says, "Hey, don't tell anyone what I'm about to tell you." Immediately, your appetite disappears, because now you know somebody's life is about to become a public holiday announcement. Gossip is one of the most dangerous habits because people treat it like entertainment. Some people don't watch Netflix. Their favorite series is Things That Don't Concern Me, Season 12, and they never miss an episode. You'll hear, apparently their marriage is struggling. My friend, are you the counselor? Are you paying their rent? Did they invite you to the meeting? No. But somehow you have full commentary like a football analyst. The dangerous thing about gossip is this: it destroys trust quietly. A thief steals money, a gossip steals peace. One careless conversation can break friendships, separate families, destroy church unity, and embarrass innocent people. Scripture in James 3:5 says, "The tongue is a small thing that makes grand speeches, but a tiny spark can set a great forest on fire." That verse is powerful. One small mouth, big problems. Some people can destroy an entire family meeting before breakfast. And gossip spreads faster than wildfire. You tell one person, "I think David lost his job." By lunchtime, the story becomes, David lost his job, sold his furniture, and is relocating to Antarctica. How? People add seasoning to stories like they're cooking soup. And have you noticed? Gossipers always act concerned. I'm only saying this because I care. No, you care too much about things that don't involve you. Some people even have investigative skills, CIA level, FBI level, MI6 level. You casually mention, "I saw Sarah yesterday." Immediately. Where? With who? What time? Was she smiling? What color were her shoes? Relax, detective. Not every mystery needs solving. And the funny thing is, the people who gossip the most hate it when others gossip about them. The moment the rumors reach them, people are jealous of me. No, sir, you trained them personally. Another dangerous thing about gossip is that it wastes time. Hours and hours discussing people who are not even thinking about you. Meanwhile, your own life goals are sitting in the corner waiting for attention. Bills unpaid, dreams postponed, plans unfinished, but you know everything happening in 5 different households. That's not wisdom, that's distraction. So how do we stop gossip? First, learn the power of silence. Not every piece of information deserves a response. Sometimes maturity is simply saying, "I don't want to talk about people." Simple. Second, change the subject. When gossip starts, redirect the conversation. Say, "Anyway, how is your own life going?" Watch how quickly the meeting ends. Third, speak positively about people. Imagine how different life would be if we encouraged others as much as we discussed them. Some people are carrying emotional wounds because of words spoken behind their backs. And remember, words travel. Even whispers have legs. The person you insult today may hear about it tomorrow. Then suddenly you're saying, "That's not what I meant." Too late. The tongue has no reverse gear. Proverbs 21:23 says, "Watch your tongue and keep your mouth shut, and you will stay out of trouble." That verse alone could save many people from unnecessary drama, because some problems are not spiritual attacks. You just talk too much. At the end of the day, gossip may feel sweet for a moment, but it leaves bitterness everywhere. So before discussing someone, ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? And if the answer is no, drink water, mind your business, and go home peacefully. This Jackson from Mind Builders on Zunda channel. If this video is good for your soul, like and share it with your contacts. You can also subscribe to Zunda channel on YouTube. We release a new video every Thursday. Bye bye for now.